Today we have a 2017 Ram 1500 4x4. It's the Bighorn model. The problem with this vehicle right now is the passenger side window does not go up. It will go down, but it doesn't go up. So we're going to show you where that switch is located and how to repair it. This is your passenger side switch. It's for your lock, unlock, and this is for your window, of course. If you put the window down, it's great. But the problem is when you go put it back up, the switch is actually broke. The good news is the driver's side works, so I can control it over there, but it's still inconvenient. So either grandkids or buddies, somebody pulled on it too hard, but either way, it's got to be replaced.
Anytime you're working on your interior of your vehicle, you got to pry something loose. You could always just use a screwdriver to get underneath there, but the only bad thing about that, it could scratch or mar your interior. They do have things that are trim tools, which are usually plastic, and all you'd have to do is go under there and pry it up like that. And by using a trim tool instead of a screwdriver, it doesn't damage the interior of your vehicle.
Good news on this is they're not hard to take apart. You can't just replace the switch. I guess you got to buy the whole unit. We went right to the dealer to get it. You just pop it up like that, and it just snaps up. Pull it out, and you can see on the back right there, you just push that button right there, and it should pull out. Like I said, this was purchased right from the dealer. We gave him the VIN number so we can make sure we got the proper part. The plug-ins look the same. It's got 6 pin. So all you have to do is put it like that, clip it in place, like that. Listen for it to click. Like that. Put it at the front end, clip it in place, and it's done. Like I said, that part was right from the dealer. It's only like $40, so you could get it online, but now it went down, as you can see. Put that new switch in it, and it goes up. The motor and everything was okay, and all it needed was a switch. That's all it takes to replace a passenger side window switch on a 2017 Dodge Ram with a 5.7 Hemi.